Is your team harnessing the immense power of LinkedIn to achieve your company goals, or are they just going through the motions? It all starts with the purpose of the company page. Is the page just set up because you thought you should have one? Or are you trying to portray the culture of your company to recruit top talent? Or perhaps you're aiming to bring in more leads. Maybe it's a combination. It's truly possible to elevate your company's thought leaders to be recognized in the same way on LinkedIn's global platform. There are easy strategies you can implement to achieve this, especially when I show you how to harness the power of your team. The power this offers to amplify your brand message and ultimately achieve sales success is mind-boggling. I conduct in-house training for teams of a minimum of 6 to several thousand, educating your staff on the fundamentals of LinkedIn and in the actions they need to follow to take advantage of LinkedIn's always evolving algorithms. Interested in a fully customized workshop for your team? Get in touch.